5 powerful fruits that quietly fight muscle loss after 50. One morning, you'll wake up and your legs won't feel like yours. Not because you're old, but because your muscles have quietly slipped away. This silent decline has a name, sarcopenia, and it's coming for everyone over 40, unless you fight back. But here's the twist. Some of your most powerful weapons against muscle loss aren't in the gym. They're in your kitchen. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful fruits that naturally protect your muscles, rebuild strength, and keep you mobile long into your 70s and beyond. And the fruit at number 1? It's not what you think. Let's begin. 5. The banana, a quiet guardian of daily strength. You've probably eaten hundreds of bananas without giving them much thought. But behind that creamy texture is one of the most supportive fruits for aging muscles. As we age, our muscles become more sensitive to tiny imbalances. Low potassium, poor recovery, and hidden inflammation. Bananas help with all 3. They're rich in potassium, a mineral your muscles need to contract and relax properly. Low potassium can make your legs feel heavy, throw off your balance, or trigger night cramps. One medium banana gives you about 400 milligrams of potassium, enough to help your muscles work more smoothly. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which helps your body process protein, turning food into the building blocks your muscles depend on. Many older adults don't get enough B6, which means they can't use protein efficiently, even if they're eating enough. Adding a banana to a protein-rich breakfast can help your body get more out of the nutrients you're already consuming. And yes, you might wonder, aren't bananas too sugary? Not necessarily. When eaten slightly green or just ripe, bananas are lower on the glycemic scale. Pair them with healthy fat or protein, like walnuts or a spoonful of nut butter, and the sugar absorbs more slowly. Margaret, a 73-year-old woman, used to walk every morning. Lately, her legs felt unsteady and weak, like her body was slowly betraying her. A friend, also in her 70s, told her to try something small, half a banana with a pinch of sea salt before her walk. It sounded too simple to matter. But Margaret figured, why not? Within a week, she felt steadier. By the end of the month, she was walking farther, with more energy and less fear. I didn't realize how much my muscles were starving, she said. That little banana made a bigger difference than I ever expected. Bananas are also good for your gut. Their fiber helps digestion and feeds good gut bacteria. And when your gut is healthy, your nutrient absorption improves, giving your muscles what they need to stay strong. How to use them? Slice half into morning oats. Blend 1 into a smoothie with soy milk and enjoy it mid-afternoon for a natural energy boost. 4. The blueberry, tiny but mighty. Blueberries may be small, but don't let their size fool you. One of the biggest threats to aging muscles is something we can't see or feel right away: inflammation. It creeps in slowly, causing muscles to stiffen, joints to ache, and recovery to take longer, even after light activity. Over time, chronic inflammation weakens muscle fibers and makes staying active harder. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep color. These antioxidants fight inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your muscles at a cellular level. Studies show that older adults who eat blueberries regularly experience better mobility, stronger leg function, improved balance. A few months ago, John, a 68-year-old retired teacher, noticed something strange. He'd always enjoyed his morning walks, but lately, just 10 minutes in, his legs felt like sandbags. No new medications, no big health changes, just less strength. Then his daughter suggested something simple: a handful of blueberries and a slice of avocado before heading out. Skeptical but curious, he gave it a shot. Within a week, John said, I didn't feel like I was dragging myself anymore. My energy felt steady, like I had my body back. Blueberries also support insulin sensitivity, helping your body process sugar and nutrients more effectively. That means better fuel delivery, less fatigue, and more efficient muscle repair. They're naturally low in sugar, perfect in oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. and safe even for those managing blood sugar or heart concerns. Try freezing them for a cool bite-sized treat. 3. The papaya, a gentle digestive ally. Papaya is soft, soothing, and melts in your mouth, but its real power lies inside. As we age, digestion slows down. Your body may struggle to break down protein, leaving fewer amino acids available to repair and build muscle, even if you're eating well. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down protein more efficiently. It gives your digestive system a gentle boost, one that becomes more valuable with age. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, which helps build collagen, essential for strong muscles, joints, and ligaments. In fact, papaya has even more vitamin C than oranges. It also contains beta-carotene and lycopene, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against muscle breakdown. Papaya is easy on digestion, low in sugar, and hydrating, perfect as a morning fruit or light evening snack. 2. The guava, a hidden muscle hero. Guava often hides in plain sight, but for older adults, it's one of the most nutrient-dense fruits you can eat. What makes guava special is its vitamin C content. Most people think of oranges for vitamin C, but guava has 4 to 5 times more. Just one guava gives you 250% of your daily needs. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, reduces inflammation, and protects muscle fibers from oxidative stress, a key cause of sarcopenia. Guava also contains potassium, for muscle contractions and balance, fiber, to keep digestion smooth and aid nutrient absorption, and lycopene, which supports heart health and circulation. Guava is also diabetic-friendly with a low glycemic index. Enjoy it raw, sliced with the peel on, or add it to smoothies or fruit salads. If fresh isn't available, a small glass of unsweetened guava juice can still be beneficial. 1. The date. Sweet, simple, and surprisingly powerful. Often misunderstood, dates are small, soft, and sweet, but they're more than a treat. Dates provide natural energy and sustain it, thanks to their combination of sugars and fiber. Despite their sweetness, dates have a low to moderate glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar when eaten in moderation, even for those managing type 2 diabetes. They're rich in potassium to ease muscle cramps and fatigue, magnesium to support muscle recovery, antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Dates are also easy to chew, require no prep, and pair well with protein, like almonds or cheese, for a satisfying muscle-loving snack. Just 2 to 3 dates a day can make a real difference. Now you've met them, 5 humble fruits with quiet power. Not pills, not powders, just simple natural support for your strength, mobility, and confidence. You don't need to change your whole life. You don't need a strict diet. You only need to start. One fruit, one small habit at a time. A banana in your morning oats. A few blueberries with yogurt. A slice of papaya after lunch. Half a guava in the afternoon. 2 dates before your evening walk. If this video gave you something helpful, a new idea or a little spark of hope, let us know in the comments. Which fruit will you start with? What change do you hope to feel? And if you'd like more simple encouraging tips for aging with strength, subscribe to my channel, where we walk with you, one small choice at a time. Until next time, stay strong, be kind to your body. And never forget, you still have so much strength left in you.